Today, we are showing you this well-designed house and lot for sale located here in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near SNR and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property is priced at 21.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 170 square meters, floor area of 250 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, powder room, living, dining, and kitchen, fully furnished, and 1 carport. Contact us for viewing. So guys, as you can see, the facade of the house, it's very modern, very clean design. It's a mixture of neutral colors and wood. We have this pedestrian gate and your 1 carport. Your pedestrian gate can be opened via pin or this key card.
Lock is open.
Let's go in. From the street level, we step up right here to your porch area. To my left, we have this beautifully designed pocket garden. Do you agree? Sobrang ganda ng combination ng plants, and also this African talisay right here. Then to my right, you have your 1 carport. Very spacious, can fit a big car. We have our faucet right here, a power outlet over there, and your lanai right there. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, this house really used quality materials and really well designed. So, makikita nyo yan sa finish ng ating mga windows. Also, we have this tall door, about more than 2 meters from floor to ceiling. Can be opened via face recognition, PIN, or in this case, your card. Here. Let's go in. Welcome to this beautiful house. Konting trivia lang guys, the builders of this house really specializes on modular cabinets and fixtures. So, makikita yan dito sa execution ng bahay na to. This is your living area. Good choice of furniture. We have all these designs sa wall natin. We have a textured area right there, smooth dito, open shelves, and of course, tons of storage underneath. Okay? Before ko ma-miss, upon entry, we have this really smart use of space. So underneath the stairs, we have these pull-outs for your footwear. Also here, imagine yung house nyo will be neat all the time because meron tayong mga spaces for everything na you would need. Okay? This door is your walk-in pantry. So you can go all through this here under the floor. So marami kang paglalagay ng mga things talaga. That's why sobrang neat ng bahay. Okay? This is your kitchen. Of course, we have our 2-door refrigerator right here. We have this sintered stone countertop. We have this sink. And check this out, guys. You have drawers underneath that are branded Bloom. So this is one of the best, if not the best, in cabinetry. And you have this for your garbage bin. Tapos, meron siya ditong space for your garbage bags. Very convenient, no? And the next one is spice rack. Okay. Dito, marami din tayong hidden gems na makikita. These are storage. You have this pull out for your ladles. It's Hathaway, branded din guys. More drawers. Another spice rack. And this is your pull out that maximizes even the corner of this area. Imagine that. Very nice. Then we have this pull-out naman for your rice cookers, electric kettle. Very nice. Hidden right there. Okay. This is a storage. You have this microwave, oven, and your daily kitchen is right here, guys. Very nice. Okay. Start here. We have this pull-out pantry. You have a space right here. More storage. By the way, the breakers are there. More storage right here. Storage. Spice rack. And guys, this slides open for more storage. Really nice. You have your range hood, your sink, and your branded washer and dryer right here. Now this door leads out to the back of the house because this house has an automatic water filtration system. Very nice, no? Every night nagki-clean yan by itself. And this is the way going back to your one carport. Let's go back in. Ang daming Easter eggs ng bahay, no? And alam ko marami ako na-miss out. So, you have to really schedule a viewing with us. Now, our dining area is right here. Really interesting design na pendant lighting. You have this 8-seater dining table. By the way, the furnitures of this house is custom made. Kaya naman talagang bagay na bagay siya. This sliding door leads out to your lanai and to your carport. Okay, let's go back in and appreciate your dining, kitchen, and living from that angle. Sobrang ganda. It's fully furnished, kaya naman talagang titirahan mo na lang siya. And by the way, before I miss this door is your wine cabinet. It can also be your coffee station. And what's good about this is you can keep it open like so para hindi istorbo itong door. And when you don't need it na, you can keep it closed para neat pa rin tingnan. How cool is that? Okay? Amazing. We have a junior master suite downstairs. This can be used as a guest room or an elderly room. Good amount of space. You have a big bed right here and a lot of space to move around. You have your console, open shelves that is lighted if you want to highlight your awards or collection. You have a built-in cabinet right here that has this soft touch lighting. If you have your bag collection, napakaganda niyan dyan. Also right here naman yung mga racks. And of course, we have our own toilet and bath with your sink, your automatic toilet. Trivia lang sa toilet na to, guys. It is heated seats. Ito yung temperature niya. Pati yung bidet niya, heated. You can set it para comfortable sa inyo yung paggamit. We will try to flush it. Sorry, nagasarang ako ng tubig. And nandito yung ating partially enclosed shower. Very spacious. Ayan. Ang ganda rin ng height. Plus yung ating enclosure is talagang floor to ceiling. We have a shampoo niche and a window for natural light and ventilation. Okay. Sa floorings natin sa room, ginamit as SPC. Dito naman sa main living area is large format na tiles. Kaya grand na grand yung kanyang feel and look. Then we have our powder room right here, just beside the Junior Master Suite. Ang ganda kasi yung pop of color na green na ginamit. Sintered din to. Automatic din ang ating toilet. We have storage underneath, lights, and of course, we have these shelves over here for your things. Amazing. Let's now go to the second floor. Our stairs is wooden steps, solid wood. We have this tempered glass na railing. Sa mid-landing natin, we have this large window. And of course, we have curtains to filter yung light na pumapasok. Okay? Upon landing, very neat ang ating flooring. SPC material. This is the master bedroom. Later, we will go to that. But first, let me show you our common toilet and bath. On the second floor, we have our sink, automatic toilet, heated seats, of course, partially enclosed shower, and my favorite will be this. You have this seats dito if you want to use it to clean yourself. May shampoo niche tayo. And this modern type of drain, meron tayo dyan. Okay? Plus, sabi ko nga, marami tayong storage. We have this built-ins right here for your linens. Open shelves, lighted din, which is very nice. Now, these two rooms are identical, but I'll show you both. Come in, first bedroom. Queen size bed. Big bed pero maraming space to move around. You have side tables on either side. Really nice headboard. We have our vanity right here. Console for your television. Open shelves that are lighted. We have this built-in cabinets. Plus this glass part na lighted din siya. Na dimmable din siya. If you long press it, magdi-dim, magba-bright. Very nice. All of the air conditioning are Daikin. So it's a very good brand. Shout out lagi kay Daikin, guys. Okay. Let's check the next bedroom. Ito siya, mirror lang ang design niya. Similar to the first bedroom. Queen size bed, a lot of space, windows. Ang ganda rin ng headboard nito. Plus we have our vanity, our console, air conditioning included, open shelves, and your built-ins right here. Really, really nice. And napansin ko lang guys, from this angle, I'm not sure kung magka-translate sa camera, but baka against the light, pero napakaganda ng ating chandelier. Okay, let's now go to the master bedroom. Wow! Upon entry, mapapansin nyo agad, this king-size bed dito with very nice, somewhat of a terracotta color na headboard. Side tables on either side. May outlets din tayo. We have this full-size mirror. By the way, meron din yung ibang rooms pala na mirror. This vanity right here. We have this open shelves right here. And this house is equipped with security cameras, which can be accessed through this control panel over here na hidden siya para hindi eyesore. Tingnan niyo siya kung gaano makalat, 'di ba? Pero pag kinlose natin, Di ba? Napakaganda. Okay? Really nice. Huge windows right here. Ang ganda ng tama ng araw. This is the afternoon sun. Napakaganda. Plus guys, na-point out ko kanina, I'll repeat lang, that the aluminum that is used sa ating mga doors and windows are high quality. This is not the regular type na nakikita natin. Going out here, we have this balcony space, which you can use in the morning or at night if you want to drink coffee, read your book. Hanggang doon yan, guys. And may I just point out that this house is fronting the no-build zone. Ibig sabihin, yung harap po ninyo ay forever vacant. So it would be nice kasi you have additional parking or quiet lang yung paligid ninyo. Okay? Now, let's go to the master bathroom. Upon entry, bubungad sa atin itong dual sink, his and her sink. We have this very nice and interesting wall design and sconce lighting right here na parang cement or stone ng design. Okay? Enclosed shower. Spacious. Another interesting tile dito. Rainfall shower head. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung taas natin, maraming windows for natural light and ventilation. Then this area is your toilet, automatic toilet. Heated seats. Very convenient yan, especially pag colder months. Napakaganda na may heated seats ka. Plus, these built-ins na sobrang pinag-isipan because you have racks and shelves. Then this open area right here. And you have this pull-out hanging rack para pag medyo mataas, may ibababa mo siya. And it's also soft close. Just like all the drawers and the doors ng cabinets natin, all soft close. Then meron din dito sa side na ito. Plus may drawers din siya. I could say this is one of the most well-designed and quality talaga yung pagkaka-execute. Kaya naman, let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 21.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 170 square meters, floor area of 250 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, powder room, living, dining, and kitchen, fully furnished, and 1 carport. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.